healthy with Hauterfly along with our friends at Nestlé. So whether you're a working mom or a stay-at-home mom, we know how much you have to hustle and bustle throughout the clock. So here is a quick and healthy breakfast cereal meal that'll give you all the fuels that you need to conquer each and every day. So we're going to start off by using some Nestlé A+ Nourish milk and heat it up. And mix some cinnamon powder to it. Now take the Nest Plus multigrain cereal and put it in a bowl. Now take some freshly cut strawberries, put it on top of the cereal. So now take some Nestlé A+ Nourish milk and pour it in the bowl. So there you go, the best ever breakfast cereal meal that you need to conquer your day just right. So all you moms out there, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode and do try this recipe out for yourself. Comment, like and share this video with all your mom friends and stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly.